G'day guys, David here, Sandgate Auto Electric. Just going to have a chat to you today about driving your car out in the bush. We had a bloke come in recently, he got stuck on the side of the road, his car overheated. So we're just going to run through a few tips with you today about what to do and what to look for when your car stops or overheats on the side of the road. First thing you want to do is, like, obvious things. You'll see steam coming out under the bonnet, anything like that. Make sure you don't try and take the radiator cap or anything off until the vehicle cools down, because it will spew hot water out at you and could possibly burn you up to 3rd or 4th degree burns. So whatever you do, if your car is overheated, don't take the radiator cap off, let it cool down before you do anything else. So basically main points are, like I said, like there could be steam coming out that's caused it to overheat, that you'll know that it's overheating. Pop your bonnet, have a quick look around. If you can see water dripping out of anywhere, at least you'll know where it's sort of coming from. Then you can either go through, ring RACQ. It might be something as simple as the pipes popped off the radiator. It might just need to be put back on. You might have the tools in your car to do that. But like I said, make sure that there's no hissing or anything coming out, and let your engine cool down before you take your radiator cap off. You definitely don't want to get burnt. A lot of problems they do have is not running enough coolant in your engine. What'll happen then is your thermostat gets all gummy and gluggy and can actually lock closed. So you'll be driving along, your engine will just overheat for no reason. You'll look outside, go, oh, my radiator's not that hot, pull the cap off. The water inside the radiator's not hot, but your engine's actually overheated. That usually means that your thermostat's blocked up, the water can't flow through the system, so it's not going to cool your engine down. So just simple things like that. If you do have any issues, like out on the side of the road, you are a bit mechanically minded, like I said, you can have a quick look yourself, but at the end of the day, if you think it's too big or it's too hot, or you don't want to touch it, give RACQ a call, get them out, they'll be able to help you out. If you have any more questions about cooling systems, please feel free to give us a call. Thank you.